Step inside the intersection of history and high fashion. This isn't just a home, it's a $5 million love letter to Parisian heritage, reimagined for the modern soul. From the rhythmic pattern of the chevron oak floors to the whispered luxury of original white marble, we are exploring a residence where every shadow is curated and every light beam is intentional. Welcome to the pinnacle of Haussmann elegance, where the golden age of architecture meets the avant-garde edge of today. The journey begins at the limestone facade, a towering testament to 19th-century grandeur. Notice the intricate wrought iron balconies that lace the exterior like charcoal silk. The massive arched door stands as a silent guardian of the luxury within, finished in a matte charcoal gray that grounds the airy limestone. Here, the gold leaf accents catch the afternoon sun, hinting at the opulence that awaits behind these historic walls. It is a portrait of status and stillness. The heart of the home beats in the living room, where a medium shot reveals a masterpiece, an original white marble fireplace crowned by a gold leaf Trumeau mirror. The reflection captures a startling modern art piece, creating a bridge across centuries. Beneath your feet, the chevron oak floors provide a warm, honeyed base for a designer Pierre Paulin Groovy chair in deep emerald velvet. A silk rug anchors the space, blending antique soul with a Pinterest-perfect edge. In the master suite, luxury becomes a whisper. A tall, tufted velvet headboard rises against walls adorned with ornate white crown molding, creating a sanctuary of texture. The master style remains consistent, featuring a smaller white marble fireplace that adds a flicker of romance to the evening. A gold leaf floor mirror leans effortlessly against the wall, catching the soft gray sheen of a silk rug. It is a room designed not just for sleep, but for dreaming. We transition into the kitchen, a space where sleek charcoal gray cabinetry meets the raw power of a white marble waterfall island. This is a chef's atelier, brightened by gold leaf hardware that glints like jewelry against the stone. The chevron floors continue their rhythmic dance here, ensuring the modern appliances feel rooted in Parisian tradition. Massive French windows flood the marble with natural light, making the morning coffee feel like a cinematic event. Rising above the main floor, the mezzanine offers a moment of architectural clarity. Black steel and glass railings provide a sharp, high-contrast frame that looks down upon the velvet-clad living area. This library loft is lined with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, a quiet retreat for the intellect. From here, you can truly appreciate the gold leaf chandelier suspended in the void, a golden sun hanging in a sky of white plaster and crown molding. The bathroom is a cathedral of white marble, floor-to-ceiling stone that creates a seamless, spa-like sanctuary. At its center sits a freestanding charcoal gray soaking tub, a bold sculptural element that invites total immersion. Gold leaf mirror frames and fixtures provide the warmth needed to balance the cool stone. The chevron pattern is subtly etched into the marble flooring, proving that in a $5 million home, no detail is too small to be considered. The entry sequence is defined by a manicured front courtyard, where symmetrical boxwood hedges stand in stone planters like silent sentries. The charcoal gray cobblestones provide a tactile transition from the bustling Parisian street to the private estate. Wrought iron gates, tipped with gold leaf, offer a glimpse of the limestone walls that glow under warm, strategically placed uplighting. It is a masterclass in curb appeal and sophisticated restraint. Ascend to the rooftop, a private terrace that feels suspended between the clouds and the Eiffel Tower. Here, the master style evolves into an alfresco lounge, with charcoal gray decking and emerald velvet outdoor cushions. White marble bistro tables provide the perfect spot for sundowners, while gold leaf lanterns flicker as the city lights begin to twinkle. It is a high-contrast urban oasis that redefines the concept of a backyard in the heart of the city. The home office is a study in focus and flair. A minimalist black desk sits atop the signature chevron oak floors, positioned to catch the light from towering French windows. The room is anchored by another original white marble fireplace and a Trumeau mirror, ensuring that even in moments of high-pressure work, the elegance of the Haussmann era is never far away. Silk curtains soften the high-contrast lines, creating an environment of productive serenity. The backyard is a hidden jewel, a secret garden enclosed by high limestone walls that offer total privacy. A white marble fountain provides a gentle acoustic backdrop to the charcoal gray slate paths. Emerald velvet cushions on gold leaf patio furniture invite you to linger among the lush greenery. It is a rare Parisian luxury, a private patch of earth where the sophisticated master style breathes in the open air, away from the prying eyes of the world. Thank you for touring this Parisian masterpiece with me. In the world of $5 million real estate, it's rarely about the square footage, and always about the soul of the details. This home proves that when you respect the past while embracing the boldest strokes of the present, you create something truly eternal. Which room captured your heart? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep dreaming in gold and marble.